Now we will measure the radiation pattern and gain of waveguide horn antenna. For this we assemble this setup like this. Like this. We insert this stand like this. Keep this setup on this stand. And mount this one. Mount here. Open this screw. You lock first this one. the height is both the table is same. Now we start the power supply again. And condenser. देखो रेडिएशन आपने देखा we connect a standard antenna here now the प्रोपगेशन बढ़ गया सेटअप टेक्निकली सर हमारा सेटअप बहुत बढ़िया है टेक्निकली थोड़ा सा फिटमेंट में कमी आ जाता है So first of all, we measure the gain of antenna. I increase a little bit its height. Move a little bit left and right for line of sight, matching the antenna line of sight. So rotating this, power is increased. Yeah, here increased. See here, it is decreased, increased here. Now it is line of sight, means it is maximum power here. We can also measure the power in VSWR. So power is at 50, 40. Power is 30, 5, 6, 37 dB. It is 37 dB. Suppose our initial power is 37. For measuring the gain of antenna, we connect another antenna in this portion here. The power level is 29, means 29, it is now 29 dB. So initial power is 20, कितना आया था वो?
29.
It is now 29. Without antenna, the power is 35, 6, 37 dB. When you connect another antenna here, and the power is increased, means up to 29 dB. So 37 minus 29, it is 8 dB gain, means power is increased almost 8 dB. So
After using the antenna.
Means 8 dB gain of this antenna is 8 dB, because power is increased after connecting this antenna. Before this power is 37. After connecting this antenna, power became 29. So 8 dB difference. The gain of antenna is 8 dB. We can also see it in CRO, how increase the power. See, the amplitude of this without antenna is almost 20. The knob is a 20, 40, 60 dB, 60 millivolt. Now we connect one antenna here. The amplitude is high. See, the amplitude is high. How much high? It is now 40 dB. It is 100 millivolt. 100 means it is 100, 200, 300 means it is now 300 millivolts. So 60 dB, 300 minus 60, 240 millivolt is gain of this antenna. Without antenna, see the output amplitude after connecting this antenna increase the amplitude, means gain of antenna. The difference is gain of antenna. Now we will measure the radiation pattern.
Here.
We draw a table. Degree, 0 dB, 0 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, up to 340 degree, 360 degree, and power output if you are taking output in CRO, then millivolt. If you taking output in VSWR, then power output is in dB. So now we are going to take the power in VSWR, so it will be in dB. First of all, we maximize the power rotating this. Here is the power maximum. Maximum power is 29 dB, and our needle is at 60 dB. Means so it is a 0 degree. 0 degree power is maximum 29 dB. It is 0 degree. Here power is 29 dB. Degree 0 power is 29 dB. Now I rotate it 20 dB plus. The power is आमने सामने रहेगा ना ये. Here is the power maximum. Power 0 degree. Power is 0 degree. Power is 30. 34 dB. We move 20 dB. गलत हो रहा है कुछ, बंद कर दो इसको यार.